Vertical integration happens when a company takes control of multiple stages of its own supply chain, rather than relying on outside suppliers. At its core, this strategy is about control. By owning the process, a business hopes to reduce costs and secure its path to the customer. A fully integrated company owns everything from the raw materials at the start to the retail stores, where the final product is sold. Companies use this to protect their margins, ensure they have the materials they need, and maintain strict quality standards across every single unit. Vertical integration is about being deeper in the supply chain, while horizontal integration is about being wider in the market by buying rivals. Integrated companies often see higher profit margins because they capture the value that would otherwise go to suppliers or distributors. While powerful, this strategy can be expensive to manage and makes a company vulnerable if the entire industry faces a downturn. Understanding how companies operate helps you analyze their long-term potential. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more finance basics.